Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that comes from the branches of trees of the cinnamomum family. It is native to the Caribbean, South America, and Southeast Asia. People have used cinnamon since 2000 BC in ancient Egypt, where they regarded it highly. In medieval times, doctors used it to treat conditions such as coughing, arthritis, and sore throats. Some studies have suggested that the compounds in cinnamon have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antidiabetic, and antimicrobial properties, and that they might offer protection from cancer and cardiovascular disease, among other conditions. However, more evidence is needed to confirm cinnamon's benefits. Improving fungal infections. A 2016 laboratory study found that cinnamon oil was effective against a type of candida that affects the bloodstream. This may be due to its antimicrobial properties. Influencing blood sugar levels. Animal studies have shown that cassia cinnamon may reduce blood sugar levels, according to a 2015 review trusted source. The review also noted that after 60 people with type 2 diabetes consumed up to 6 grams g of cinnamon per day for between 40 days and 4 months, they had lower serum glucose, triglycerides, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, and total cholesterol. Preventing Alzheimer's disease. Some animal studies have suggested that cinnamon may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. According to researchers' trusted source, an extract present in cinnamon bark, called sept, contains properties that may prevent symptoms from developing. Lowering the effects of high-fat meals. In 2011, researchers concluded that diets rich in antioxidant spices, including cinnamon, may help reduce the body's negative response to eating high-fat meals. Treating and healing chronic wounds. Research from 2015 says that scientists have found a way to package antimicrobial compounds from peppermint and cinnamon into tiny capsules that can both kill bacterial biofilms and actively promote healing. Reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Various compounds in cinnamon may benefit the cardiovascular system. Cinnamaldehyde, for example, lowered blood pressure in an animal study. Preventing cancer. In the study, scientists treated mice with cancer using an extract of cinnamon and cardamom. Tests found lower levels of oxidative stress in the melanoma cells of the mice that received the treatment. We hope this information is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.